Today you get to teach others about penguins. I bet you know where they live, huh? What they eat, and their skin covering, what they look like. Use this paper to write 3 sentences. Each sentence should tell something you learned about penguins. When you're done, you may color your penguin and draw its habitat. Remember, its habitat is where it lives. Use details in your picture. Also, don't forget to read what you wrote and make sure you have everything you need, like a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence, finger spaces between each word, a period at the end of each sentence. Please use your very best handwriting and do your best. Have fun teaching others all about penguins today.